Hey everyone, if you want to connect with recruiters on LinkedIn and increase your chances of getting hired, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect with recruiters on LinkedIn in 2026. First, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete. Recruiters will always check your profile before accepting your connection request. Next, search for recruiters using keywords like HR, recruiter, or your job field. This helps you find the right people. Use filters to narrow down results. Focus on recruiters in your industry or preferred location. Now send a connection request with a short message. Don't just click connect. Always add a personal note. Keep your message simple and professional. Introduce yourself and mention the type of job you are looking for. Engage with recruiter content by liking and commenting on posts. This increases your visibility and builds familiarity. If they accept but don't reply, send a polite follow-up. Don't spam and keep your tone respectful. So, yeah, that's how you connect with recruiters on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can build strong connections and improve your job chances. And, if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.